Promise y'all, I am not a catfish. I promise. Hey guys, it's Serena, and for today's video, sis, I'm gonna be showing y'all how I catfish y'all hoes on Instagram. Now I'm just playing. I just wanted to title it something fun, not like my everyday makeup routine or whatever. Just wanted to, you know, spice it up for y'all. I'm gonna pull on my Instagram story asking you guys if you want to see this super easy look, and even though it was super simple and easy, you guys definitely voted yes to see it, so I wanted to film it for you guys so y'all can see how I got it. But yeah, this is basically my everyday makeup routine. My products switch up here and there, but I wanted to show you guys some new products in this video, so I tried out like the new Anastasia loose highlighters and showed you guys some other cool new things that I discovered recently and I absolutely love, and just have incorporated them into my everyday routine. Before you guys watch this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and click that bell notification button to be notified every time your girl posts a new video. Also follow me on all my social media sites. They'll be linked down below in the down bar as well as the end card of this video. Follow your girl on the gram, period. I already told y'all are being judged if you don't, so go ahead and follow. But yeah, y'all, before I begin, I want to make sure that you guys know that I'm not trying to be like I catfish you guys or you guys have to wear makeup to be pretty. It was just a funny title, so don't get your panties in and out over it, okay? I'm not trying to be like I'm a catfish. I'm definitely not, because I'm beautiful with a beat face and without, so let's just get that clear, period. Without rambling on, let's just see how I got this makeup look. Alright, y'all, so let's just start off this makeup look with some primer. I already did my brows. Y'all know I use the Anastasia Dip Brow in Ebony, so I'm just gonna prime my face because we're not doing like any eyeshadow really today, so I'm gonna be using the Too Faced Hangover RX primer and priming my face just to get it hydrated. You guys, I'm so excited. Star comes out Wednesday. I'm filming this Tuesday, so it comes out tomorrow. But y'all are seeing this on Thursday, so if y'all like the episode of Star, let me know who's your favorite character and whatnot and how you liked the episode, because I'm so excited to watch it. Like, oh my gosh, I've been waiting for this for so long. Next, I'm gonna take my Milk Makeup Blur Stick Primer. This is just to blur my pores in the areas that I get most oily. So this one was kind of just to, you know, hydrate and prime, and this one's more to blur and prime. So I'm just gonna put this in my T-zone area. Alright, and then for foundation, I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty ones. I take 370 and 390 and mix these together to get my perfect shade. Y'all know the drill. Alright, so for concealer, you're on the drill. I'm taking the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, the multi-sculpting one in Butterscotch, and then I'm going to add on top the Fenty Pro Filter concealer in the shade 360. This base is kind of a little bit repetitive. I'm trying to use different products just so you guys don't see the same shit over and over again for my base and whatnot. So I'm trying to use different things. If some of the things are the same, they're just because they're like my top products that I love to use. So I'm sorry y'all, but you know, gotta use what I love. But you know, I love watching my favorite YouTubers like do their makeup routine or whatever. It just like relaxes me in a way. So I hope you guys find it relaxing and helpful, entertaining, all the above. And then I just like to let my concealer sit just for like maybe a minute or 30 seconds just so it can get a little bit more thick and also be more full coverage. So that's also a tip you guys could do to be a catfish on the gram or whatever. Alright y'all, then I'm just going to set with the honey powder from Fenty Beauty, y'all. And I mean, it's not my fave powder. It doesn't give like flashback or anything, but it's just not my favorite, but it's what I'm going to use because I bought it. So not going to waste money over here. Smell is pretty good though, I'd say that. And just to brighten up a little bit more in my inner corners, I'm going to take the DermaBlend Loose Setting Powder in the shade Original. It's a very fair white shade. I'm just going to take it and brighten up. Just because the Fenty powder is damn near my skin color, I'm just going to take this one and brighten. Then let it sit for a minute or whatever. Alright y'all, now that I dusted away that DermaBlend powder, I'm going to bronze up. Y'all know my bronzer really never changes. I always have been using the Too Faced Dark Chocolate Soleil bronzer for years and years, so that's probably never going to change, but I'm just going to take this bronzer and bronze up my face and my nose. And I feel like contouring and bronzing is like the key to catfishing because it kind of just sculpts your face and you don't look like a pancake. Like already this side of my face just looks more chiseled and like just more like more better. So yeah, make sure to contour, period. Also, y'all, a snatched nose is key. So I just take a fluffy brush with a little bit of density to it. So the Urban Decay one that comes in all their palettes works really good for me. And I just take some of the same bronzer and put it on the side of my nose. Don't put it on the very side of your nose because it's gonna make it look more wider if you just put it straight down. But you kind of just wanna curve it on the top of your nose. So I'm not going directly side, I'm kind of going like this and making a thin little line on each side. Depending on how small you want your nose to look, you can go very, very thin or make it natural, but I like my nose contour to be kind of dramatic because I just blend it out later. But however you guys want to do it, make sure your nose is sniggity snatched, okay? I don't care if you already have a small nose, if you have a large nose, whatever. Snatching your nose will make your pictures look just so cute. So good. Then I do the bottom and also a little line at the top and circle it out just to give my nose a little bit of a lift and kind of like a button nose effect. And bring it up into your crease of your eye just so it looks like it's a little bit more thinner. Period. I'm just gonna take that beauty blender with some remaining setting powder on it and pat over it so it doesn't look too harsh. All right, now for blush, I have this little mini of the NARS Orgasm. So again, I'm trying to switch up my products for y'all so it's a little bit more interesting, but I'm just gonna take this NARS blush, a really pretty pink color, and then put it on my cheekbones. And I also like to put a little bit on my nose just because it makes it look flushed. So yeah, it's obviously optional, you don't have to put it on your nose, but it's just gonna make you look more flushed and sun-kissed, I guess. Alright y'all, then going back into that Fenty powder, I'm just going to be cutting my cheekbones and the sides of my nose. Is going to give it that really like contoured sharp effect. So just going to do this. Y'all know the drill, how I usually do it. And then just so I don't look dry or anything, I'm going to be taking my Badescu facial spray. This is the aloe and cucumber one, and just spray my face after all that powder so I don't look, you know, crispity, crackety, ashy, okay? Alright y'all, so I zoomed y'all in a little bit for the eye portion. So now that the face is basically done, we're going to do some highlighting and stuff later. I'm just going to hop back into my Too Faced bronzer, and I'm just going to put this in my crease, not really on my lid, and also my lower lash line, just because I'm not really, for like my everyday look, I don't really wear eyeshadow. I just like to have a little bit of something in my crease and on my lower lash line so I don't look completely bare on my eyes. So yeah, just gonna take any bronzer you have, any brown eyeshadow, any nude colored shadow just to define your crease would work. So just gonna put it in my crease with a fluffy brush. Alright y'all, now for eyeliner. Everyone always asks me, how do you do your wings, how do you do your liner? And I'm going to show y'all today. So I use the NYX Matte Black Liquid Liner, and my eyes are pretty large, so for this step I do pretty big wings. Sometimes I keep it simple, but for the most part my wings are pretty thick, like me. So yeah, keep that in mind. If you guys have smaller or hooded eyes, you might want to do a very thin wing. Don't overpower your whole lid with a wing if you don't have very large eyes like me. But if you do, then you can go ahead and make your wing as thick as you want. So I'm just going to start out by placing it on the top, just making a line. I can't talk too much during this step, so hopefully you guys can understand what I'm doing. So let me just get a little closer. So I basically just made a line on the top of my lid. Then I go at the very outer corner and flick upwards. And then I just connect the two. And then all you have to do is fill it in from there. So yeah, that's basically all I do for my winged eyeliner. Nothing special. Draw a straight line, draw a little flick, connect it, and fill it in. I just noticed there's like a spot right here that's actually gross. Yeah, so that's basically what I did on this eye. So I'm just gonna repeat the same thing off camera on this eye. All right, now my wings were even, but I have a little bit of a mistake on this side. So if your guys' wings end up uneven or just a little bit, you know, wonky or whatever, I'm just taking my Fenty concealer. Use any concealer you guys have that's the same shade that you're wearing. for the day, and I'm just going to clean up the outer edges so they look as even as possible. Alright y'all, now for eyeliners, I'm going to be using two. For my tight line up here, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay 24/7 pencil in the shade Perversion. A really deep black liner, and what it's going to do is kind of make my lashes look a little bit more thicker when I apply falsies, so there's no like missing spaces or anything. And for my lower lash line, my waterline, I'm going to take the NARS Larger Than Life eyeliner in the shade Rue Bonaparte. It's kind of like a creamier, more like whitish cream liner, so this is going to open my eyes a little bit and make me not look like tired or anything. So yeah, I'm just going to apply these two super quick and easy steps, so I'll be back. Alright y'all, so I put those liners on off camera, and then I popped on some Bad Gal Bang mascara from Benefit, just a light coat on my upper lashes and then a little bit of a heavier coat on my lower. Now onto the false lashes. I'm going to be taking the Lilly lashes in the style So Extra Miami. These are 3D mink lashes. They're super fluffy and long, and I love them because my eyes are super big, so they look really good on them and they just make my eyes stand out and pop. So yeah, I really love these. I just discovered them, so I'm gonna put y'all onto them. Period. Yeah, they're super pretty and fluffy, so I just take my House of Lash glue and pop these on, and I'll be right back. Alright y'all, so I put on the lashes. They look super cute and fluffy. I love them. Just to cover my lash band a bit and make the liner look a little bit more matte, I'm gonna go into my Soft Glam palette by Anastasia and take the shade Noir right here, this black one, and just take a little bit and place it. You might have to wet your brush just so you know it's a little bit tacky and it'll stick to the liner better, but I'm just gonna tap into that Noir shade, tap off the excess, and place it on top of my liner to kind of hide the band of the lashes and to also make the liner really matte. That's just how I like my liner. If you guys like shiny liner, that's fine, but you know your girl's a matte girl. And then if some just drips on to the side, wipe it away. No biggie. Alright y'all, so now to finish off the face, I'm going to be applying this new highlighter I got. This is the Anastasia loose highlighter in So Hollywood. You guys know everyone has been raving about this in the pressed form, but unfortunately it's discontinued and I never got around to getting it. I'm going to see if this is going to be the next best thing or just as good as it, as people say. It comes in this really cute like glittery packaging, and it just says So Hollywood on the back, and the box is also super duper cute and shiny. Usually I take loose highlighters and top them on top of pressed highlighter just for a better pigment and a more glowy look, but today I'm just going to try and see how it looks straight out the package, so pray for you, girl. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited to try this. I'm going to be spraying my face first with some Morphe spray just so it can be a little tacky. Alright y'all, for the moment of truth, I'm going to take my Morphe M510 highlighting brush, dip into it. I'm going to go sparingly because I know loose highlighters can be very pigmented. So yeah, let's just see how this looks. Oh my goodness. First of all, this is so pretty. I thought it would be too light for my skin tone, but it's so pretty, you guys. Oh my goodness. Okay, maybe I put a little bit too fucking much, but it's okay. We're gonna blend it away, period. Okay, y'all, be very careful when you use this highlighter because it is very pigmented and you can go overboard way too fast like I did, but you know, hey, life goes on. I'm just gonna do the same thing and put it on my nose as my highlight and also my inner corner and brow bone. Yeah, y'all, this highlighter is definitely really pretty. And it is Serena Nicole approved, so go copy it. Alright y'all, so now for my lips, I'm gonna line them with my favorite lip pencil from NYX. This is in the shade Brown. Now that my lip liner is on good and fresh, I'm gonna take this new lipstick I got from MAC in the shade Yash, I think, or Yash. It's Y-A-S-H, however you pronounce it, but I'm gonna be using this one. It's a matte lipstick. Those are the only ones I really like from MAC, the matte ones. I'm just gonna take this lipstick and put it in the center. And then this new lip gloss I discovered, if you guys have me on Snapchat or Instagram, you guys saw my story where I showed you guys my new lip gloss, the number 7 one, and it's in the shade Pink Latte. So I think they're like $9.99. They're really affordable and they come with a lot. They're not sticky at all and they smell pretty good, so get your hands on them. You guys see that? That shine already, like has like these gold little flakes in them, kind of. Just so pretty, oh my goodness. Okay, alright y'all, now to finish this look, I'm gonna take my All Nighter spray by Urban Decay and set this baby in place. Oh, Alright you guys, so this is the end of my how I catfish y'all on Instagram makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I wanted to show you guys my everyday makeup routine because you guys voted for it on my Instagram poll. So if you guys don't follow me on Instagram already, be sure to follow it. It'll be right here if you guys want to follow. If you guys aren't subscribed to my channel already, be sure to subscribe and click that bell notification button to be notified every time your girl posts a new video. Also follow me on all my social media sites. They will be linked down below in the down bar as well as the end card of this video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Alright, bye guys. Roses.
Kendall turned 21, was up the street with 21, and I'm convinced I make sacrifices, I've been balling ever since. Yes, sir. Rolling down 95. Yes, sir. I buy you champagne, but you love some Henny from the block like you Jenny.